Mom, if you're watching, just go ahead and click off this video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 SLG unboxings from the Fall/Winter 2022 collection. So let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Virgils' last collection, then keep on watching. I have been on the hunt for something on the runway. I've always wanted a runway piece from Louis Vuitton. There's just never been a collection that just kind of stuck out to me that I was just like, oh my God, I have to have it. But seeing this collection, and it just so happens to be Virgils' last runway collection, I just needed to get something from it. But fortunately enough, these 2 pieces that I did pick up, and yes, 2 pieces that I did get from the runway collection, I just saw them immediately and I just had to go ahead and contact my CA to pre-order these for me, just because I wanted to get these items. They just spoke to me. Sometimes you just see these items and they just speak to you and you're just like, yes, you have to do whatever it takes to get these items. And that's what I feel with the NBA collabs. And that's what I felt with the Nigo first drop. So these naturally just spoke to me and I just couldn't stop thinking about it. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and show you what I got, and then I'll tell you a little bit why I liked each piece. So I did pre-order these from the Yorkdale location in Toronto, thanks to my wonderful sales associate. If you're watching, thank you again so much. I'm truly, truly happy that you're able to get these for me. And so let's just go ahead and open them up. I do have 4 receipts. 2 of them are pre-order receipts, and then the other 2 are just confirmation of transaction, and then 2 of these items are in here. So any guesses as to what items I got from the Fall/Winter 2022 collection? They're very substantial and they're very heavy. So let's go ahead and open up this one, if it's what I think it is. Okay, opening up the drawstring box. And this is the dust bag that it came in. And once I saw this piece on Foxy LV's Instagram, again, I think I really need to unfollow this girl because she posts so many good things and I just can't keep up with it sometimes. But once she posted this, I was in shock. I'm like, oh my God, this speaks to me so loudly. I definitely need to add it to my collection. It is so unique. But let's go ahead and share with you what it is. And it is the Blurred Monogram Pocket Organizer. Isn't this absolutely amazing? I'm gonna go ahead and do a little spin for you. So this is the front. This is the back. This is the reverse side. And then this is the inside. So this piece is made in Spain and it is for the Fall/Winter men's collection of 2022. I have like no words for this pocket organizer. I just think that this is such a cute idea. I love the waviness of it. I love the blurred monogram look. It's giving me like Blurred Vision vibes. I absolutely love it. The minute I saw it, I thought that this was so unique. It's definitely a unicorn piece in my collection right now. I absolutely love it. It does have a treated vachetta leather already. And then also on the inside, there is a pocket at the back similar to regular pocket organizers. And I just absolutely love it. I think that this is just, it's definitely going to be a conversational starter, that's for sure. I absolutely love this pocket organizer. I'm so happy that I was able to order this as part of Virgil's last collection. Again, it just spoke to me once I saw it on Foxy LV's Instagram. So naturally, I just had to go and pick it up. So on to the second box. This one is a little bit more heavier. Again, opening it up, it does come in the small box, dust bag. Any guesses as to what this is? The reason why I liked this one is because I thought it was, again, unique. Haven't seen anything like it. And I just think, again, it's another conversational starter. But this one is the, oops, it's upside down. This one is the rock climbing pocket organizer. I absolutely think that this is absolutely divine. I loved rock climbing as a kid, and I just naturally had to pick this one up. I was a little bit on the fence with this one at first just because I didn't necessarily know if I could get both, and I stressed to my sales associate that I really wanted the blurred monogram one the most, but if I could get both, I would be more than happy. But surprisingly, he was telling me that this one was actually selling out so much more quicker than the blurred monogram. I guess the blurred monogram is kind of like a more acquired taste compared to the rock climbing one. Is a little bit more to people's taste, I guess. But absolutely love this. The fun fact, I actually liked the newer version of the pocket organizer versus the concept art that Foxy LV had posted. Because in the one that she had posted, the little rock climbing flower was actually on the corner. So I was super happy that they decided to change it a little bit and put it right in the middle. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys another close-up. So this is the front. This is the back. Give you guys a close up of the actual flower itself. And then this is the inside. And then it does have, as I mentioned, a pocket. That's what I love about the pocket organizers. And then this one was made in France. Again, it is for the Fall Winter Men's 2022 collection. And the monogrammings are embossed, which I absolutely love. I was a little bit scared because if you saw my NBA pocket organizer unboxing, I didn't necessarily have the greatest first experience when unboxing that one, but it is all good now. But being this as a runway piece, I think that they would have paid a little bit more closer attention, or at least you would have hoped that they would have paid a little bit more closer attention. But this one has a lot more substantial weight to it, just for the simple fact is that this flower is actually quite heavy. But I'm actually not too sure what this flower is kind of made up of, but I absolutely love it. Obviously, these are gonna be collector's items. I'm not gonna be using them at all. I feel like I don't wanna ruin them, and they would just be great on my display shelf. But again, absolutely love this pocket organizer, and thank you again to my sales associate for being able to secure both these pieces. And it was funny because when I went to go pick these up, the client that was in the store was kind of eyeing it and wanting to see if I was actually going to fully purchase it, but I had already purchased them. My sales associate was just showing them to me in person because he knew about my excitement. I think I bothered him a little bit too much about when this was gonna come in, am I gonna be secured it, that kind of thing. So thank you again. I definitely appreciate everything that you do for me, as I mentioned to you several times. But I'm so happy that I was actually able to add 2 runway pieces, especially for Virgil's last collection, into my collection. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. It was just a quick video of my 2 new pocket organizers from the Fall Winter 2022 collection. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.